Hey, if you want to buy games on Ubisoft Connect App, first you will have to click on the store and move to games. So click just right here and you can find something in the categories like we got coming soon, bestsellers for example, so you can click on it. Now we'll be moved into the best-selling games. But if you are looking for a specific game, for example for the Settlers, you can type it in the search pool after clicking, and if I want to get this version, I have to click on it. Now I have to select that I want to get it from with the Ubisoft Plus Premium, or just normally I want to buy it, so I have to select the price, tap to get the game, and I have to add to cart. So I have to click right here, and now I'm in the checkout. So what I have to do is just to click right here, and from here I have to input my billing address and the base data like first name, last name, country, and after this I will be able to move forward and pay for it by selecting my payment method, for example debit or credit card. And that's all. Right now please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.